Today, I'll walk you through how to set up sequences on Monday.com, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to create effective sequences so you can streamline your project management process. Let's dive right in. First, navigate to your Monday.com workspace. Once there, look for the option labeled New Sequence. This is your starting point for creating a new sequence. Click on it now. This will open up a new window where you can begin the setup process. Next, you'll want to type in the desired name for your sequence. This name should reflect the purpose of the sequence, making it easier for you and your team to identify later. Take your time with this step. It's important to be clear and concise. Once you've named your sequence, click on Next. This will take you to the next stage of the setup process. Don't worry if your dashboard looks slightly different. The core functionality remains the same across different accounts. Now, it's time to choose what to add to your sequence. You'll see various options available to customize your sequence according to your needs. This is similar to picking ingredients for a recipe. Choose what you think will work best for your project. After selecting the items you want to include, click on Create. This action will finalize the initial setup of your sequence. You're making great progress. Keep it up. Next, you'll need to choose specific items that will be part of your sequence. This step is crucial as it determines the tasks that will be executed in your sequence. Select the items that are relevant to your workflow. Once you've made your selections, click on Add. This will incorporate the chosen items into your sequence. Remember, it's totally normal if this takes a moment. Just ensure you've selected everything you need. At this point, there's an available option to pause the sequence until a step is marked as done. This feature is particularly useful for ensuring that tasks are completed in the correct order. If you want to enable this, go ahead and select it now. Finally, don't forget to click Save Sequence. This action will secure all your settings and make your sequence ready for use. Congratulations! You've successfully set up a sequence on Monday.com. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.